Sparky, scan the Amazon data again. This can't be right. The Amazon produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. If we lose it, we lose our planet's lungs. Whoa, this place is even hotter than the Arctic. Did you know 1 football field of rainforest vanishes every second? That's why it feels like an oven here, no trees to cool the air. Hey, you must be chompy. Wanna help us save your home? Rainforests house 50% of Earth's species. If the trees go, they go too.
Faster. My furniture empire needs more mahogany.
That's Mr. Timber. He's why 17% of the Amazon is already gone. Time to log him out. Sparky, activate the Vine Trap 3000. These trees are worth $20 trillion a year in clean air and medicine. Your profits aren't worth that. 1 tree can absorb 48 pounds of coal a year. Imagine a whole forest. Now, let's protect the other 3 billion trees lost yearly. Uh-oh, the reefs need us next.
Leo's green quest continues in episode 3, The Dying Reefs.